Rehoboth Beach, ready to start my journey across the country. We're getting ready for our photo setup. Bye everyone, see you in 3 months. Bye. Thanks. About 4 or 5 miles in. Started off with 4 miles of trail on the Gordon Park Loop, which is where Joe Biden usually rides. Another one of the World War II towers. They didn't shoot out of them. They just use them for lookouts. So I'm now in Lewis Beach, which was my original starting point. I'm about 7 miles in and I started at Rehoboth Beach, so that if you look straight out in the ocean there, the next thing is Lisbon, Portugal. Now I pretty much head straight west. It's a warm day and I found my first shower. Oh, it's cold. Feels good. Okay, we're at the Getaway in Ellendale and we got Jim, my new favorite bartender. And Jim's already buying me a shot. This is awesome.
We're going to do a little smooth brandy. Cheers
smooth
to
brandy.
You guys.
Okay, thank you, Jim.
All the way.
I appreciate it.
How you doing, guys?
Jim, this is the first bar I came to and I didn't realize what kind of bar it was, but lap dance room?
The lap dance room here. It's private in case she wants to get spanked. You have friends, you know, that just want to kick back and have a drink without the bebop. Come on down when I'm here.
There's no girls, but we have this pole, and this is what they do on a Monday night. So that was fun. I was about 7 miles from the end of today's ride and wanted to meet my brother-in-law David for a drink. So I Googled bars in Ellendale, and there's one 1/2 mile out of town called the Getaway Lounge. Jim was there, and he's an awesome bartender, and we had a lot of fun with Jim. Coming up to the end of day number 1. She's gonna stay at a Dandy Farms, which is a B&B that the whole family came to last night. And the next couple nights, I'll actually be at my sister Cindy and brother-in-law David's place. And then I'll mostly be camping after that. So far, great start to a good day, to a good trip. So I have about another hour until I get out of the Blue Hen state of Delaware. It's a lot of farms with corn and soybean. Delaware, the kick-ass chicken state, is done. It's the first state. We're down to 14 states to go. There's also 3 special things. 1, I'm entering Maryland for the first time on this bike trip. 2, I'm done with Delaware. And 3, my friend Eddie Beckman made a very public pronouncement that if I finish Delaware, he was going to write a check to Hero to a Child charity. And he may as well do one to Lighthouse for the blind, visually impaired and blind also. So Eddie, get your checkbook out. I'm done with Delaware. Town of Denton, Maryland. Hi. So as I ride through Maryland, I'll give you a quick look of my lucky, friendly Kia wraparound koozie, courtesy of John Gillis. Does so much for the Newport Richey community. Thank you, John. So here's the solar panel on the back of my bike, which will charge things. And right about now, I'm feeling like a solar lightweight with all those solar arrays here in Maryland. Stopped at a produce stand and we've got the chicken here. There's Tony from Tony's Produce.
How y'all doing?
I bought some cherry tomato, or what did I buy? Grape tomato or cherry tomato?
They were great.
Grape tomatoes. Some water, and Tony gave me a nice ear of corn, fresh right out of the field. And he's got a nice little produce stand here.
Yeah, we got a weird chicken that thinks it's a dog, and I hatched waterfowl, and this thing followed me around like a dog. And now it's my personal pet, which I've had I don't know how many people want to buy this chicken, but it's not for sale. But she is the friendliest chicken ever. She eats at the table with me. She rides on my shoulder. She goes in the truck. She's got her own seat with a perch. I pull up to a red light and traffic go like this, and they go. I wind the window down. I said, "That's Henrietta. That's my pet co-pilot." But anyhow, weird pet. I think she is a family member reincarnated. Okay. Who knows? But anyhow. This gentleman stopped by and kept me company and good conversation, and he's on his way to California.
Santa Monica, California.
California. God bless him. May Jesus be with him on his journey.
Hey, Henrietta. There you are. Here I am at the west end of the Delmarva Peninsula. We've got the Chesapeake Bay Bridge behind me. Actually, that's the only place on the ride all the way to California where I'm going to have to get a ride in a car. They won't let me ride a bike, and once you see it, you'll see why. It would be a suicide mission. Well, I just keep hitchhiking and hoping a car will pick me up. Hopefully it won't take long. Thank you, I appreciate it. Oh, it's my sister. What are the chances of that?
What do you mean, what are the chances of that? You told us to be here.
I'm here at the west end of the Chesapeake Bay Bridge, which you can see in the background. It's the start of day 3. Took a ride across in a car across the bridge and start day 3 on the west side of the bridge. Well, I just took off from a naval fishing area. I didn't realize we went past this flashing sign that said it was closed. But I think we were both looking at our maps when we went through it. Heading through the U.S. Naval Academy golf course. Pretty nice golf course. I'm crossing the Severna River going into Annapolis. Near the Naval Academy, which is behind me over there somewhere. The historic part of Annapolis, Maryland. Annapolis was a pretty cool town. Didn't spend a whole lot of time there, but it's been a pretty busy highway since then. Then I got off on this side road, which is very nice. Nice big estates on the route. Just fly down the hills. Gravity helps. It is awesome. There is FedEx Field, home of the Washington football team Commanders. And my final stop for the night is RFK Stadium, where they used to play. It was a very hilly day. I did not expect that. I'll probably end up with, I don't know, 45 miles, I think. But it wasn't very fast with all the hills. I haven't been training for the hills. Fortunately, I don't have all my weight. I stayed with my brother-in-law and sister last night, and I'm staying with them tonight, so I left a bunch of bags there, and I sure am glad I did with all these hills. Another hour, and my day will be done. I'll be in Washington, D.C. I just finished day 3 and I'm to Washington, D.C. in front of the old RFK Stadium where the Washington Redskins used to play. This is what happens to old stadiums when they get old and die. It's in pretty sad shape.